Am I the only one that didn't know what freedom truly meant? Until now, imagine walking the vibrant streets of Kyiv, where laughter echoes through bustling markets. Picture children playing freely in parks where once there were fears. Visualize communities coming together, rebuilding homes, lives, and dreams. Feel the energy of a united people determined to rise from the ashes. See the fields of sunflowers blooming under the warm sun, symbolizing resilience and renewal. Hear the melodies of traditional songs filling the air with pride and joy. Imagine a Ukraine where innovation thrives and creativity knows no bounds, where schools and universities are beacons of knowledge and progress. Think of the celebrations where every heart beats in unison, celebrating not just freedom, but the unyielding spirit of a liberated nation. Now imagine the world watching as Ukraine stands tall and free. This is the future we're fighting for, a future where hope reigns supreme. Let's keep dreaming, hoping, and working together for a free Ukraine. Because every step we take brings us closer to that beautiful dawn.